The Oamaru-based Waitaki Multicultural Council works collaboratively with whānau of all ethnicities to promote diversity and social cohesion in this geographically widespread and increasingly diverse rural community. They have a long-standing relationship with E Tū Whānau, promoting the values and kaupapa as a foundation for community unity and well-being.
The Waitaki Multicultural Council formed in May of 2008. It began when Elena Conligan, she came to live in Oamaru, and she's Filipino. We've got a large Filipino community, and there was a real need for support for them, so she thought it would be a good idea to form a multicultural council.
We work to welcome and support all of our ethnic communities to our region. When we talk about being multicultural, everyone is welcome. We are the first point of contact, and we try to build the relationships, to build the connections.
I think it's the bringing together of the communities, working together, being united, and having that social cohesion.
So this is really our mission, to welcome people and for them to feel home. Yes.